When you're navigating the world of project management, the term Gantt chart pops up frequently. It's the visual language of timelines, dependencies, and progress. And if you've been exploring project management software, you've likely encountered Smartsheet. So the burning question arises, is Smartsheet a Gantt chart? The short answer, delivered with the confidence of a seasoned project manager, is no, Smartsheet is not just a Gantt chart. It's a powerful, versatile platform that includes robust Gantt chart functionality. Think of it this way. A car isn't just its steering wheel, even though the steering wheel is a crucial part of driving. Similarly, a Gantt chart is a valuable feature within Smartsheet's broader toolkit. Let's delve deeper and explore why this distinction matters and what Smartsheet truly offers beyond the traditional Gantt chart. Understanding the essence of a Gantt chart. Before we dissect Smartsheet, let's solidify our understanding of what a Gantt chart is at its core. Developed by Henry Gantt in the early 20th century, a Gantt chart is a horizontal bar chart that provides a visual representation of a project schedule. Key elements of a standard Gantt chart include tasks, listed vertically on the left side, timeline, displayed horizontally across the top, showing dates or time periods, bars, represent the duration of each task, extending along the timeline according to their start and end dates. Milestones, significant checkpoints in the project, often marked with diamonds or other distinct symbols. Dependencies, lines connecting tasks to show relationships, e.g., one task must finish before another can start. Progress indicators, shading or different colors within the bars to indicate the percentage of work completed. Gantt charts excel at providing a clear overview of the project schedule, making it easy to track progress, identify potential bottlenecks, and communicate timelines to stakeholders. Smartsheet, more than just bars on a timeline. Now let's bring Smartsheet into the picture. At its heart, Smartsheet is a dynamic, spreadsheet-based work management platform. It leverages the familiar grid interface but supercharges it with features designed for collaboration, automation, and, yes, project management. While Smartsheet can display your project data as a Gantt chart, and a very capable one at that, its functionality extends far beyond this single visualization. Here's what makes Smartsheet a comprehensive platform. Multiple views. Smartsheet allows you to view your project data in various formats beyond the Gantt chart. These include Grid View, the foundational spreadsheet-like view for data entry and organization. Card View, Kanban visualizes tasks as cards in columns representing different stages of work. Calendar View, displays tasks and deadlines on a calendar. Report View, aggregates and summarizes data from multiple sheets. Form View, simplifies data collection through customizable forms. Collaboration features. Smartsheet is built for teamwork. Multiple users can simultaneously access and edit sheets, fostering real-time collaboration. Features like comments, file attachments, and sharing permissions enhance team communication and document management directly within the project context. Automation capabilities. Smartsheet allows you to automate repetitive tasks through workflows. This can include setting up alerts for approaching deadlines, automatically assigning tasks based on specific criteria, or moving tasks between statuses based on changes in the sheet. These automations save time and reduce the risk of human error. Formulas and calculations. Just like a spreadsheet, Smartsheet supports a wide range of formulas and calculations. This enables you to automatically calculate durations, track costs, manage resource allocation, and derive valuable insights from your project data. Reporting and dashboards. Smartsheet provides powerful reporting and dashboarding tools. You can create custom reports to track key metrics, identify trends, and communicate project status to stakeholders in visually appealing formats. Dashboards offer a high-level overview of project performance using charts, graphs, and key indicators. Integrations. Smartsheet seamlessly integrates with a multitude of other business applications, such as Microsoft Teams, Slack, Google Workspace, and various CRM and accounting software. This allows for a more connected and efficient workflow across different platforms. Resource management. Smartsheet offers features for managing team workload and resource allocation. You can assign resources to tasks, track their availability, and identify potential over or under allocation, ensuring a balanced distribution of work.